Redback walk-behind push mower. It can be challenging to find an electric mower that can manage a larger yard on one charge, as most machines have a runtime of less than 1 hour. If you want the low-maintenance, eco-friendly benefits of a battery-powered machine, but still need to cut an acre or more, your best option may be the Redback 21-inch 120-volt lithium-ion battery walk-behind push mower. This push mower has a sizable 21-inch deck that will help you make quick work of your yard, and it has an impressive 1-hour runtime that will ensure you can get even bigger jobs done. The battery charges up in just an hour, and you can choose between mulching, bagging, or discharging grass clippings. Reviewers write, the Redback lawnmower packs a powerful punch. One person says it even tackled grass that was close to 2 feet tall after several weeks of not mowing. The only downside of this electric lawnmower is that it is a push model, which will likely tire you out if you're mowing an acre or more.